Now in this video of CSS3, we are going to cover a very important and interesting concept of it, that is the 2D transformation. Basically, when I say 2D transformation, that means that is only the x-axis and the y-axis which will participate in all the transformation. So here we will use the methods like skew, rotate, translate, and some more functions are there which will help us out in making the transformation along with the x and the y axis. So let's start a practical implementation and see what is all here for CSS3 regarding the 2D transformation.
Alright, so now in 2D graphics, what we are going to do, we will take a couple of divs. One will remain intact and same, while in second div we'll do the required changes. So let's see what is all there in the div. The height, width is set, background color is set, and border is set. So obviously it will look like a box, as you can see. Now after this, what I'm going to do is, for that particular div who's being decorated with the id my div, I'm going to use the rotate method. So, and what we are going to do, we are going to perform a common thing in all, that is I'm going to rotate them with 20 degree. So you can see there are a couple of divs. This is one div which will just contain the styles from this class, while this div will take the styles from this class as well and from my div as well. So let's save the changes and come to the browser. Let's see what is all there. So you can see, like here, this one is rotated to the 20 degree, while this one is having the default layout. Now we can also do that in the reverse direction by putting the minus symbol, that is minus 20 degree now. So you can see now it is from this particular position, right? So depends like how you want to rotate, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you want to do clockwise, just pass any degree, or in anti-clockwise, just pass minus symbol along with that. Now similarly, you do have one more method here called skew, in which I'm going to skew with x-axis or y-axis. So I'll do it with skew x 20 degree. That means it will be skewed using the x-axis only. So skew x and x. So now here you can see the x-axis is parallel still, means it is same, but here it is being skewed. All right, the whole thing is being skewed, including the text inside it. Similarly, you can skew it on the basis of y-axis. So I'm using skew y now. Alright, so you can see the y-axis, that is the vertical ones, are the same, but the x-axis is changed to 20 degree. Alright, and now using skew only, it will be taken from both the sides. Alright, means skew x and y both will be there. Alright, so these are the things which you can perform in 2D graphics. You can just transform it on the basis of different shapes and sizes, but when you will do the same things including the animation, you can see them moving in the same way. So we'll do the animation in our coming video, but this is all about the 2D graphics or 2D transformation in CSS3.